Good morning, students. Students, yesterday I teach you about the subtraction, right? How we can subtract any 4-digit number. Yes. So today, first of all, I will discuss some other questions from exercise 1. So open page 97 and see the question number I. Okay, so this one, in a school library there are 4,653 storybooks and 2,341 subject books. How many storybooks are there than subject books? So in this question it is given that this much of storybooks are there and this much of subject books are there. Okay, so here what is asking, it asks about how many more storybooks are there than subject books. So we know that in subtraction, if the question asks about the differences, right, we'll do what? Subtraction. So here it's asking about the differences. How many storybooks are there than subject books? Right? So here what we will do? We'll do subtraction. Okay? So it is already given, in a school library there are 4,653 storybooks and 2,341 subject books. So now we'll find out how many more storybooks are there than subject books. Okay, so now we'll do what? Subtraction. So we'll start from ones place value. So this one is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So 3 minus 1, it will be how much? 2. 5 minus 4, it will be how much? See the tens place value? It will be 1. 6 minus 3, it will be how much? See the 100 place value? 3. 4 minus 2, it will be how much? See the 1000 place value? It will be 2. So 2,312 storybooks are more present, right? Are more in number than subject books. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. Now see J number. A farmer collected 2,568 mangoes from his mango orchard. He sold 1,235 mangoes. Now how many mangoes are left? So it is asking about how many mangoes are left behind, right? He collected this much and he sold this much. Okay, so now what we will do? We'll do subtraction, right? Because it is asking about what? The remaining portion, or I can say the remaining mangoes, right? So now we'll write 2,568 and 1,235, and now we'll do subtraction. So 8 minus 5, it will be how much? 8 minus 5, it will be 3. Now see the tens place value. 6 minus 3, it will be 3. Now see the 100 place value. 5 minus 2, it will be 3. Now see the 1000 place value. 2 minus 1, it will be 1. Right? So total how many mangoes are left? 1,333 mangoes. right? Okay students, now see K part. So a cycle cost 1085. Ashok has 850 rupees. How many more money does he need to buy the cycle? So this much is the cost of the cycle, and this one is what, or I can say the money that is with Ashok, right? Now how many money he need more to buy this cycle? Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to do subtraction. Okay, so now I will write the number 1085 and below I will write 850. Remember, you have to write the numbers, okay, according to the place value. 1 should be, that means the number, or I can say the digits. Digit that is placed in 1's value should be in 1's value. Then 10's value, then 100 value, and then 1000 value. Okay. Okay, so now we'll start from 1's place value. So 5 minus 0, it will be how much? 5. 8 minus 5, it will be how much? 3. Right. Now here you can see 0 and 8 is there. Right. And if the upper number, this one is the upper number, right? So if the upper number is smaller than the lower number, then we have to take what? Borrow. Okay, we have to borrow numbers from the previous one. That means from 1 we'll borrow number. Okay, so while borrowing, what will happen? This one will reduce by 1. That means whatever the number that is placed, okay, the number that will borrow, that number will be reduced by 1. So if 1 is reduced by 1, that means if 1 is subtracted by 1, then how much will be the answer? Or I can say what number will be left? 0, right? And 0 borrow the number from 1, right? So this 0 will become what? 10. Okay, now 10 minus 8, it will be how much? 2, and will not put 0, okay, because it is in 1000 place. So how much money does he need to buy the cycle? 235 more, right? I hope you have understood this one. Now I will teach you how we can subtract any number, okay, any 4-digit number with regrouping. Okay, so suppose two numbers are there, 2375, and you have to subtract it from 1268. Okay, so first of all we'll write the place value. Okay, this one is the easiest method. So 1000, 100, tens, ones. Now we'll write the numbers that are placed in 1's place value. So first of all we'll start from this number. So 1's place value 5 is there, then 10's place value 7 is there, then in 100 3 is there, then in 1000 2 is there, right? Now we'll place this number. So in 10's place 8 is there, sorry, 1's place 8 is there, 10's place 6 is there, 100 place 2 is there, and in 1000 place 1 is there. Now we'll do what? Subtraction. Okay, so remember, always we'll subtract from the 1's place value. So we'll start subtracting from this place. Okay, so now you can see the upper number is 5 and the lower number is 8. Now 5 is less than 8. Yes, so 5 is smaller than 8. So we have to borrow number, right, from the previous number. So 7 will borrow a number to 5, right? Now while giving the number, the 7 will reduce by 1 and it will become what? 6. Okay, and the borrow number, it will add with 5, or I can say it will become what? 15. Okay, so 15 minus 8, it will be how much? 7. 6 minus 6, it will be how much? 0. 3 minus 2, it will be how much? 1. 2 minus 1, it will be how much? 1. So our number is what? 1107. Okay students, so now we'll do some questions from your book. Okay, now see page number 97, exercise 2. Here we have to do the subtraction with regrouping. So we'll start from ones place value, right? So 6 and 7 is there. Now see, 6 is less than 7, right? So now we'll do what? We'll borrow. Yes. So now this 1, it will reduce to 0, and this 6, it will become what? 16, right? After borrowing, 10 will added with that particular number. Okay, so 16 minus 7, it will be how much? 9. 0 minus 0, it will be how much? 0, right? This one, it will reduce to 0. 8 minus 5, it will be how much? 3. 4 minus 3, it will be how much? 1, right? So our answer will be what? 1309. Okay. Okay, now see the B part. So we'll start from ones place value. So 3 minus 2, it will be how much? 1. 5 minus 6. Can we subtract 5 from 6? Okay, not 5 from 6, 6 from 5. So we'll borrow what? Number from 8, it will become 7, and this 5, it will become what? 15. Now 15 minus 6, it will be how much? 9. 7 minus 5, it will be how much? 2. 6 minus 1, it will be how much? 5. So our answer will be what? 5291, right? Okay. Now what you will do? You will do C, D, E, F, G, H, okay, in your classwork copy. Okay, this one you have to do in your classwork copy, as well as this one, I, J and K. Okay, I will give you the answer for this one, I, J and K. Okay, so that's all for today.